Hi guys, I showed you this funny thing that I picked up at the recycling centre. It does random movements forwards and backwards and turns and makes a little noise when it goes along. Which way was it? And I'm going to do a very quick conversion to make it radio controlled. Not a permanent conversion, just a quick one. So I'll probably pinch the receiver out of this one because that works. Add some connectors on it and intercept the stuff in there. One thing I have in mind is to see if I can use the left-right control on that one just to operate a relay. What's that one? That one's a 12 volt. That one's a 5 volt. Yeah, that one should do. So if I just put that across the left-right control, that ought to operate. And then if I put the contacts on that across the little micro switch that's operated when we push this down. Did I switch it off again? I did, didn't I? Yeah. There's just a little micro switch at front and back that triggers that noise. Then we might be able to operate the noise as well as make it go forwards and backwards. Because this one goes forwards and backwards. Forwards it goes straight. In reverse it uses its differential to make it turn. Right. That's the plan. Not sure where to put the camera so you can see what I'm up to. Right, camera's upside down to me. Remember now, this is called Little Tikes Squeezoos or something, or Squeezoos, bubble car. There'll be a link in the video description to the playlist for this one. Right, so that's the car, that's the controller, so I need to intercept one of these switches to operate the sounds and intercept the motor wires so we can control it. Yeah, I'm not going to bother putting the seating back in there. I'm just going to leave it like this. Bit of tape for them, because this is just a temporary job. Five. I better check this one works before I do anything with it, because I do have a habit of throwing junk back into my boxes. Oh dear, that's one where I've had to piece the aerial out because it was cut off short. It won't go through the hole. Right, this receiver is soldered directly to the battery, or the battery terminals. So I need to get that off there. Yep. No, off. That doesn't want to come off. Got it. Steering, drive motor. Right, we need a battery connector on there. Ground. VCC. Just before I get myself in real trouble. Help solder onto the floor. Right. Okay, drive motor. Right, we need some wire for that too. Okay, that bit works. That's the one we want. Right, that looks like that's going to work. Right. A quick tidy up. Well, it is radio controlled. I do have a measure of control over it, but it does still do rather what it wants. Because the wheels are spinning on the back, the steering is one wheel goes one way and one goes the other, but it's not that efficient. It was alright when it was supposed to be random, but when I'm actually trying to make it go where I want, it's not quite so easy. But that bit works. So that's supposed to be turning. And then this is supposed to be straight forwards. But because the front wheels are offset and it all rocks around, it, well, yeah, well, it sort of went straight. Oh, what's happening there? We might just be out of radio distance because I've just tucked the aerial inside, haven't I? Yeah, that was just the range, because I haven't put the aerial out properly. It's wrapped in amongst the motor and everything else. So yeah, we now have a radio controlled Squeezoo bubble car. So there we are, radio controlled and sound effects. What fun!
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.